Hello friends, my name is Taylor Chu and today we are making a spooky craft for kids and adults alike. We are making eyeball slime.
This glue is the best of both worlds. It's clear so we can see our creepy extras, and it's already colored so we won't need food coloring. The contact solution reaction is what binds all of our slime together. So have fun, go slow, and watch the change occur before your eyes. Using more baking soda makes it more like putty on the left. Using more contact solution makes it more drippy and sticky, like on the right. I like these eyeballs I found at Michael's because they're soft and squishy, so they mix well with the slime.
They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Thanks for coming by and watching my creepy slime craft video. You can customize yours by changing the color, adding glitter, or even changing up the accessories, but I like the squishy little eyeballs. My name is Taylor Chu. I have other fall baking crafts and home decor projects on my channel. Check those out. Until next time, happy Halloween.